Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Monday, October 27th, 2025. It's a new day / new week. And if you guys have been around, if you guys have seen the last couple videos here, we are currently on a 9-trade losing streak. But as I like to say, it's a new day filled with new opportunities, guys. We're here to capitalize on those opportunities. We're not worried about the wins and losses, 100% focused on the process. And we're going to continue to make sure we're managing our risk, our emotions, our expectations. We're going to make ourselves available when the setups present themselves. And we're going to let the randomness take care of itself. So let's take a look at the chart, see what trades we take today. Alright guys, so first trade of the day, NQ short, as you guys see here, market open here, chopped around, price sold off, created a gap, changed state delivery, waited for price to pull back into it, stop loss swing pivot up here, and plus 2R all or nothing take profit. And we're in it, guys. First trade of the day / week. Let's see how it all wants to play out, and I'll be back and I'll update you guys here in a bit. Alright guys, there you guys have it. Again, another loss. 10 trades in a row we're losing here. It is very tough. Very choppy price action, as you guys see here. We got the wick above this overnight session. Boom. Sold off again down here. Created new lows on the overnight. And just continued to go higher. So we're getting chopped around pretty good here. There's no continuation. There's no flow to the market. It is unfortunate. It's not working for our strategy right now. But we're going to make sure we continue to manage our risk, our emotions, and our expectations. We'll be back on the next setup. So let's see what else we could take. Alright guys, just got the order filled right here. Again, trading the same strategy, guys, still the same thing. Change of state of delivery occurred right here when price closed below this dashed line you got here. A gap was created as well. Waited for price to pull back into it. Stop loss to the swing pivot high all the way up here. And again, take profit as plus 2R all or nothing. Currently does not look like it's working in my direction whatsoever, but hopefully we can get some price sell off or something to happen before it reaches the top of my stop loss. Again, we don't control that. We just made sure we manage our risk, emotions, and our expectations, and we'll see how it all wants to play out. So I'll be back in a bit. Stop filled again, guys. So here we have it. Another loser, minus 2R on the day. Just continue to take losers, guys. It is unfortunate. We're going to continue to take the same setups, though. Make sure we're calm, cool, and collected, and hopefully they start winning eventually, because 11 trades in a row, statistics are pretty crazy on that, and I don't think it's going to continue for much longer. So we'll see. I'll be back. Alright guys, we are in. Third trade of the day is another NQ short. Guys, we do not have a short bias here. These are just the setups that keep presenting themselves. And again, I have to make sure I'm making myself available to enter in on the trade. So super patient. Did not take any other trades after the previous one. After the second trade, there was no valid setups. And as you guys see here, the red box, I do not trade between the New York lunch window, which is 8:30 to 10 a.m. my time. And right now, this was the first valid setup here. Change of state delivery, gap, waited for price pull back into it. Stop loss is swing pivot high, and take profit is plus 2R all or nothing. Again, guys, same exact setup every single time. Now we're just going to wait and see how it plays out. So I'll be back in a little bit. All right, guys, we are back on the charts. And as you guys see here, third trade of the day, third trade in a row. That's a loss. Another 3-trade losing streak, guys. It is unfortunate we can't get these winners right now. We continue to manage our risk, our emotions, our expectations, but unfortunately it's just not going in our favor right now. So we're going to be back. It's currently 10:43. We still have a couple more minutes in the day, so maybe we can get a couple more setups, and we'll see how it all goes. I'll be back. Order filled. All right, guys. Guess we got to try it again. I'll keep saying it. It's only the shorts that keep setting up, keep coming to. Give them the valid setups. As you guys see here, we got stopped out of this one. There's just a whole bunch of chop coming through here. Price broke down, change of state delivery occurred here, a small 2-point gap right through here, and very tight stop loss, only 10 points, which is a very tight take profit as well, 21 points. So we are in the trade. Again, continue to take the valid setups, guys. Eventually, we're going to start getting winners. 12-trade losing streak is crazy, but I continue to trust the plan. So we are in it now, and we're going to see how it all wants to play out. I'll be back in a bit. Alrighty, guys. There it is. Another trade. Another loser. It is crazy. Stop filled. I don't know what that was. It must have been someone. It is tough, guys. 13-trade losing streak. I don't think I've ever had a 13-trade losing streak in any backtesting, any strategy, anything like that. 6 or 7, yes, I understand, but 13 is beyond crazy. I'm only getting valid setups right now to the short side, and yeah, it's starting to get to me mentally, but I'm going to continue with the strategy, and we're going to continue trying to take these setups, because with the backtesting data I have, it is profitable, but this might be some crazy outstanding variance. Luckily, we've managed our risk on some of these accounts, but unfortunately, we have blown several today. The losing streak's just been too far gone, and some of these accounts weren't able to make it. But We still have an hour and 15 minutes left in the market. Hopefully we get a setup that could win. Not looking too promising, but we'll see. I'll be back in a little bit. All right, guys, so we just got the order filled on this long here. As you guys see, changes in state delivery happened here. Pull back into the gap. Again, stop loss to swing pivot. Take profit plus 2R. Still going to continue to trade the same strategy, guys. This is a strategy that got me here. If this is the one that continues to lose and potentially blows all the counts, so be it. At least I'm going to continue with it, and we're going to see how it wants to play out. But right now, it's pretty much at the highs right now where I'm buying, so don't really trust much in this play. Again, it is what it is. I have to make myself available for the setup when it presents itself, and this is 100% valid. And now we're just along for the ride, so we'll see how it wants to play out. I'll be back. All right, guys, just as I mentioned, unfortunately, we just can't get anything to go right now. Another trade, another loser, 5-trade losing streak again today. It is what it is, right? We had a valid setup. Unfortunately, it just did not play out for us, and price came back down, took us out for full -1R loser. Lost a couple more Tradeify accounts with that loss right there. 12.16. If we get another valid setup, this is looking like a short now. Potentially, it just crossed below this this line that gives me a change of state delivery, so we could get a gap in between here. We might be able to take one more setup potentially, but at this point, it is what it is, right? We're following our rules, following our procedure, and sticking to our strategy. It's just not working out in our favor right now. I'll be back in a little bit, and I'll update you guys, see if we take one more trade.
Order filled.
Alrighty, guys. So this is most likely the last trade of the day. We got a continuation here. Sell off, gap in between, change state delivery, waiting for price to pull back into the gap. We have it. Stop loss, swing pivot, take profit. Again, guys, plus 2R, all or nothing. Same trade, same setup we've been taking all day. Let's see if this one wants to work. Currently on a 5-trade losing streak again today. We were just in the long, got stopped out. If this one goes against us, stops us out again, then it's just not meant to be, guys. But I'll update you guys here in a bit and let you know how it all plays out. All right, guys, here we are back on the charts, as you guys see here. Yeah, another loser, guys. I can't make this up. Can't even buy a win at this point. I was in that long, as you guys saw in the previous clip. Got stopped out. Flip position. As you guys know, that's a valid setup per my rules. I've been taking this for months now, and just got chopped up here. Boom, reversed against me, pulled back, took me out for full -1R loser. So again, on a 5-trade losing streak today, total for the last 3 days, Thursday, Friday, and today, that is a total of 15 trades in a row, all losses. Never experienced anything like that during the back testing, during live testing in the last couple months. This is a whole new deal. Today we did end up losing 15 accounts, 5 take profit trader, 5 Tradeify, and 5 Apex accounts. Here you guys can see the total damage for today, P&L wise. These are the 5 we lost. We had 100, as you guys saw last week on Friday. There was 100 left to draw down. These accounts we risked the same, 2 times the risk. So as you guys see here, that's why we lost $1,400. I'll go ahead and show you guys the executions, but not much there for you to see. Really, it's just all losses here. And the trades, pretty quick trades again. I don't have any of the other accounts. The other accounts are basically on my funded futures. I have about $37 in those accounts left to draw down. So basically those accounts are gone as well. Very tough trading. Unfortunate, like I've mentioned, in the last couple months, I've been trading the same strategy since July, even before that, and never experienced a 15-trade losing streak like I have right now. The accounts were actually all doing very well. Wednesday last week, they were all basically at their highs, and 15 trades in a row, yeah, it really does a number to them, and unfortunately couldn't keep most of those accounts alive. So we have these 15 accounts, Apex accounts basically, and we're going to continue to trade those. Hopefully we can pull those out. The Apex accounts, they're basically at the initial balance, so they're all at $50,000. The other ones, the ones we took a loss in today, those are a little bit lower, but we're going to continue to trade, and hopefully we can make these accounts grow a little bit. And I don't feel like refunding all these other accounts until I'm able to get another payout with these with the Apex accounts if I can. So I'm just going to mainly focus on Apex right now and try to grow these if possible, and continue to trade. So I mean, it is unfortunate, 15 trades in a row, all losses. I haven't experienced that in a very long time. I feel like even if I were to just randomly buy, randomly sell at random areas, I still couldn't even get 15 losers in a row. So it is crazy. It is unfortunate. All A+ valid setups per my rules. Just not working. So we're going to call it a day, wrap it up. We're done, and we'll be back at it tomorrow. We still have some accounts. We're going to look to grow those, and hopefully we can. So appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one, guys. Have a good one. Peace.